Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to construct quadrilaterals such as a parallelogram, trapezium, and rhombus. To construct these quadrilaterals, we will need a ruler, protractor, compass, and set square. Let's construct a parallelogram ABCD where AB is 7 centimeters, BC is 6 centimeters, and angle ABC is 40 degrees. Step 1. Draw line AB, which is 7 centimeters long, using a ruler. Label points A and B. Step 2. Draw angle ABC, which is 40 degrees, using a protractor. Make a mark at the 40 degrees. Then, draw a line to join point B to the mark. Now, observe our sketch. What is angle BAD? Pause and discuss with your friends. Since angles ABC and BAD are a pair of interior angles between two parallel lines, they add up to 180 degrees. So, angle BAD is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is 140 degrees. Now, we repeat the same steps to draw angle BAD to be 140 degrees using a protractor. Remember to label angle ABC. Step 3. Draw line BC, which is 6 centimeters. Widen the arms of a compass to 6 centimeters and ensure that the arms of the compass are fixed. Draw two arcs that are 6 centimeters away from point B and point A to find points C and D. Lastly, we draw a line joining points C and D to complete the parallelogram. We have constructed parallelogram ABCD. Next, let's construct a trapezium PQRS with a height of 5 centimeters, where PQ is 9 centimeters, angle PQR is 70 degrees, and angle QPS is 60 degrees. Step 1. Draw line PQ to be 9 centimeters using a ruler. Step 2. Use a protractor to draw angle PQR, which is 70 degrees. Label angle PQR. Then, repeat the steps to draw angle QPS, which is 60 degrees. Find the 60 degrees angle and make a mark. Label angle QPS. Step 3. Draw the height of trapezium PQRS to be 5 centimeters. To do this, we need a ruler and a set square. Place the set square along PQ, and the ruler along the other side of the set square. Then, slide the set square 5 centimeters along the ruler. Using the set square as a guide, draw the line SR parallel to PQ. We have constructed trapezium PQRS. Lastly, let's construct rhombus WXYZ such that its diagonal WY is 10 centimeters, and its other diagonal XZ is 6 centimeters. Step 1. Use a ruler to draw the first diagonal, WY, which is 10 centimeters. Label the points W and Y. Step 2. Draw the perpendicular bisector of WY. Widen the arms of a compass until the distance between the arms is slightly more than half the length of WY. Draw 2 arcs from W, one above and one below WY. Step 3. Repeat this for point Y to draw 2 more arcs intersecting the first 2 arcs. Then, draw the perpendicular bisector of WY by joining the 2 intersection points. Mark the point where the 2 perpendicular lines meet as point O. Step 4. Draw its other diagonal, XC, which is 6 centimeters. First, widen the arms of a compass to half the length of XC, which is 3 centimeters. Then, from point O, mark 3 centimeters on the vertical line, above and below WY. This gives us the diagonal XC to be 6 centimeters. Step 5. Join the points of intersection to W and Y. Remember to label your diagram. We have constructed rhombus WXYZ. Today we have learned how to construct quadrilaterals such as a parallelogram, trapezium and rhombus. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.